Welcome to our video on how to search in a Discord server on PC, featuring the latest updates. If you're looking to find messages, media, or even users within a server, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the steps you need to take. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the server you want to search selected. It's as simple as that. Next, look for the search bar located in the top right corner of any server. This is your gateway to finding anything within that server. With just a click, you can access all the powerful search features Discord has to offer. Once you click the search bar, a drop-down menu will appear. Here's where the magic happens. You can type in what you're looking for, whether it's a specific word, phrase, or even a username. This search feature helps you locate exactly what you need in an instant. As you start typing, Discord will automatically filter messages and content based on your input, making it super easy to find what you're after. You can even use advanced search options to narrow down your results by channel, user, or date, giving you precise control over your search. So, whether you're trying to find a past conversation, an important file shared in a channel, or someone you chatted with, this search function is a game changer. That's it for our quick guide on how to search in a Discord server on PC with the new update. Give these steps a try, and you'll become a search pro in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Discord effectively.